getting him off my chest to let him rest. Unexpressed, I hate parading my serenading, as I'll probably miss a bar. But if this ditty is not so pretty, at least it'll tell you how great you are. You're the top, you're the Colosseum, you're the top, you're the Louvre Museum, you're a melody from a symphony by Strauss, you're a band of bonnet, a Shakespeare sonnet, you're Mickey Mouse, you're the Nile, you're the Tower of Pisa, you're the smile on the Mona Lisa. I'm a worthless check, a total wreck, a flop. But if baby I'm the bottom, you're the top.
Your words poetic are not pathetic. On the other hand, babe, you shine, and I can feel after every line a thrill divine down my spine. Now, gifted humans like Vincent humans might think that your song is bad, but I've got a notion, I'll second the motion. This is what I'm going to add. You're the top, you're Mahatma Gandhi. You're the top, you're Napoleon Brandy. You're the purple light of a summer night in Spain. You're the National Gallery, or Garbo Salary, or Cellophane. You're a rose, you're Inferno Santee.
You're the nose on the great Durante.
I'm a toy balloon that's fading soon to pop. But if baby I'm the bottom, you're the top.
You're the top. You're a walrus salad. You're the top. You're a Berlin ballad.
You're an angel, you simply divine. You're a Botticelli,
You're Keith.
you're Shelley.
You're Ovaltine. You're romance.
You're the steps of Russia.
You're the pants on a Roxy Usher. I'm a toy balloon